In this video, we're going to look at the creation of ensembles for use within the scenario generator. As is covered in the scenario generator video, there is the option within the scenario generator to choose an ensemble for analysis. This becomes available by clicking on the ensemble button. As you'll see here, there are already many created within my current system. However, we need to create a new ensemble. To do that, you can enter the ensemble tool from various points. One is here, where you click on Manage Ensembles. This opens the option dialog box. You can also, closing the scenario generator, go to Tools, go to Options, and within the Options dialog box you will see Ensembles as one of the tabs that you can click, and then you can manage ensemble creation and deletion. Let's create an ensemble for the global area, as that is the study area that is currently chosen. When you build an ensemble, it will build an ensemble for the area that you choose, meaning from the GCM patterns for that study area. Click on Add to begin to set up a new ensemble. As you see, there is global data available for many areas. We just wish to create an ensemble that we shall call Customized Trial, as this is just an example for this training video. You can choose particular GCMs to include in your ensemble, or as with other dialog boxes, you can select all the GCMs or deselect all, so it is easy for you to customize the ensembles you wish to create. You can also choose the type of ensemble, whether it's for climate change, whether it's for the sea level rise scenario generator, or if it's for the daily GCM extreme event analysis tool. In this case, we'll do one for climate change, and we are choosing just 6 GCMs. After choosing the GCMs you are interested in, you then click OK and you get to choose if you want the outputs from the ensemble to be cached. We advise you to do this as it enhances the performance of the tool. When cached, the second and subsequent scenarios that are run are generated much more quickly. There is also an option for choosing the path of where you wish to store your ensembles. We just leave it blank as the default. We then click OK to complete the process. When you return to create a scenario for the global study area, and we pick the year 2050, and using precipitation as the global climate variable, we will have access to the climate ensembles we created. As you see, here is the one that we just created, Customized for Trial. Click on that, click on your SRES, your climate sensitivity, your months, and we'll go with all the other default settings, and click on Generate. We can, if we wish, choose percentiles, a low of 10% and a high of 90. We are now conducting a statistical analysis of the GCMs that comprise the ensemble. We generate additional output. However, this process tends to take a little bit longer as there are multiple windows created. As you can see, we now get the original, global precipitation. We then get the 90th percentile, as you see here in the title of the map, and the 10%, as seen now. This is particularly useful for looking at the range of variability across the GCMs, and the extremes for low and high outputs from the GCM data. There are also other options within the dialog box for scenario generation with ensembles, and we will look at those in subsequent videos.